Hello, this is Lauren, and I'm doing problem 8 from Module 7.3. In a statistics class, students took their pulses before and after being frightened. The frightening event was having the teacher scream and run from one side of the room to the other. The pulse rates, beats per minute, of the women before and after the scream were obtained separately and are shown in the table. Treat this as if it were a random sample of female community college students. Test the hypothesis that the mean of college women's pulse rates is higher after a fright using a significance level of 0.05. So here's the data table, and the null hypothesis is that the pulse rates before is equal to the pulse rates after, and our alternative hypothesis is that the pulse rates before is less than the pulse rates after. So then when we take the data table and copy it into StatCrunch, backtrack here a minute here, we go to stats, and then we go to t-stats, and it's a paired test because they're dependent upon each other, and we highlight variable 1 and variable 2, and our null hypothesis is that they're equal, so that's going to stay 0, and then our alternative hypothesis is that one is less than the other. We hit compute, and we find that our t-stat is negative 5.67, or approximately thereabouts, and then our p value is 0.0001, and since 0.000, that's already 3 decimal points, then we've got that covered. And then down below, we need to consider what the mean of both of those is. So we go to summary stats columns, and we select both variables 1 and 2. Then we hit compute again, and the mean for the pulse before is 78.4, and the one for after is 83. So that when we look at that, since 0.000 is less than 0.05, we must reject the null hypothesis. And the reason is the sample mean before the scream was 78.4 beats per minute, and the sample mean after was 83 beats per minute. The conclusion, that college women's pulse rates are significantly higher after frights. And that is all.